Anytime you add two numbers which are powers of 10, we're supposed to make sure that the exponents of powers of 10 are going to be the same. We have to give the answer in engineering notation for these examples. So that's why I'm going to convert 5 to 6, because in engineering notation, the exponent of power of 10 is supposed to be the multiple of 3. Remember, if you want to make this exponent bigger, because I want to convert this to 6 in order to have exactly the same exponent like over here, my exponent goes up, number will go down. That's why I'm going to have 0.83 times 10 to the 6. I made the exponent bigger, that's why my number gets smaller. I move my decimal point ones to left, that's why I get 0.83 times 10 to the 6 plus 2.6 times 10 to the 6. Now, if you found the same exponents of powers of 10, you're supposed to add the numbers, and I'm going to have 2.6 plus 0.83. Add them up together, and it's going to be 3. 6 plus 8 is equal 14. Carry 1 and I have 3. So I have 3.43 times 10, and you're supposed to copy down the common exponent. And this is basically the solution to the problem, because the number on the left side of the decimal point is between 1 and 999, and the exponent of my power of 10 is multiple of 3. That's why this is the correct answer. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, we're supposed to make sure that the exponents of power of 10 are going to be the same. I have exponent 2 and exponent negative 1. 2 is between 0 and 3, and negative 1 is between 0 and negative 3. So the closest exponent is exponent 0. That's why I'm going to convert 10 to the second to 10 to 0 and 10 to negative 1 to 10 to 0. Now, anytime my exponent gets smaller, number has to get bigger. Now, remember, if I'm going to change this to 0, means I'm going to decrease this value by 2. That's why I have to move my decimal point twice to right. That's why I'm going to have 600 times 10 to 0. Remember, exponent got smaller. Okay, before I had 2, now I have 0, got smaller. Number has to get bigger. I have to move my decimal point twice to right. That's why I have 600 times 10 to 0 plus, now, negative 1, I have to change to 0. Exponent is going to get bigger, number has to get smaller. Exponent is getting bigger, number has to get smaller. I have to increase the value of my exponent by 1. That's why I have to move my decimal point ones to left. That's why I'm going to have 0.42 times 10 to 0. Now, powers of 10 are identical. So what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to just add these two numbers. That's why I'm going to have 600.00 plus 0.42 is equal 600.42. What I'm supposed to do, copy this number and simply multiply by the power of 10. 10 to 0 in this case. And this is the solution to my problem.